Hey guys, as you can see, I have a RAR file on my Android phone storage. The problem is, there is no built-in Android feature that can open or extract RAR files, unlike zip files. So, how do I open and extract this RAR file? Yes, we need the help of a third-party app. On the Google Play Store, there are many choices of apps that you can try. However, if you only need to open and extract the RAR file that you have, the ZArchiver app is more than enough. Find the location of your RAR file using ZArchiver. Tap it. Then select the View menu to open the file. Well, this is the content of the RAR file that I have. Then to extract it, just select the Extract menu. Then specify the folder you want to use as the extraction location. I want to extract it here. So then press the Extract button at the bottom here. Then if your RAR file is password protected, just enter the password, tap OK, and you're done. With the ZArchiver app, now you have successfully opened and extracted the RAR file on your Android phone. Easy, right? Hopefully this video helps. And thanks for watching.